Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10, CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in 2 Variable, Exercise 3.3, first sum. Here we need to use both the methods, elimination and substitution. We have already solved the first two subdivision. This is a continuation that we are going to solve third and fourth subdivision in this video. Okay. The third subdivision, we have rearranged minus 4 to this side and 2x to this side. And we are going to continue by elimination method. First step, we are going to use elimination. Same as mentioned, we are going to use elimination. Therefore, for eliminating x, take it as equation number 1, equation number 2. Therefore, multiply the equation number 1 into 3. We get 9x minus 15y equal to 12. This will be the updated equation number 1. 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Therefore, changing the sign, which is minus 13 y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, we got the value y equal to minus 5 by 13. Substitute y in any one of the equation. I will be substituting it 1. 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13, which is equal to 4. Here it will be 3x plus 25 by 13 is equal to 4. Taking LCM, we get 39x plus 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. Okay. Taking cross multiplication, 39x plus 25 equal to 4 3s are 12, 52. Subtracting, we get 27 by 39. Okay, which is 9s are 13. Okay, therefore x is equal to 9 by 13. By elimination method, we got the solution as x is equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Next, we are going to use substitution method. The same problem using substitution method. Therefore, we use first equation itself. 3x equal to 4 minus 5y. X is equal to minus by 3. Okay. We will be continuing by substituting it in second equation. Substitute x in second equation, which is 9 into 4 minus 5y divided by 3. 1s are 3s are minus 2y equal to 7, which is 4 minus 7y equal to 7, which becomes before subtracting we should multiply, therefore plus 2y, therefore 3 times. Okay, 12 minus 15y is equal to 7 plus 2y. This also will be taking to that side. 15y plus 2y is equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. This side, this will be minus 2 plus 2. This step, see that minus 5 come to this side, this will be plus 5. Therefore plus 15. Now it becomes minus 15. Okay, minus 15 means minus 13y, which is y equal to minus 5 by 13. Note that the same answer will be coming in both the methods, elimination and substitution. Substitute y in equation number 1. It will be the same step as you can write the same. Here we have substituted the same, therefore here also same. Minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. 3x plus 25 by 13 is equal to 4. Okay, therefore Taking LCM, we get 39x plus 25 equal to 52. Therefore, which gives x is equal to 9 by 13. Don't worry, I have already explained this step in this elimination method itself. Therefore, the same step will be repeating. No worries. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 9 by 13, y equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay. Next, fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, given question x by 2, 3y by 3 equal to minus 1. We are taking 2 and 3 LCM. We multiplied 6 by throughout. Therefore, 3x plus 6y. Okay. 3 2 is 6, 6y minus 6. Here the question, therefore the LCM is 3. Therefore, I multiplied by 3 throughout. Therefore, by subtracting 1 minus 2, we get minus plus minus, which is 5y equal to minus 15, y equal to minus 3. Substitute this in any one of the equations. Substitute y in 2. Therefore, 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 9. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 3x plus 6 plus 3. This side minus 3. Therefore, 6x is equal to 2. By elimination method, we got this. Therefore, solution x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Using substitution method, same. I will took second equation, 3x equal to y plus 9. X is equal to y plus 9 divided by 3. Substitute in first equation. Substitute x in equation number 1. We get 3 into y plus 9 divided by 3 plus 6y equal to minus 6. 3 cancel. 7y equal to minus 15. Here I wrote 2. I wrote 3. Therefore, there is a mistake while writing the question. Therefore, 4. 4 means 5. Here the answers are correct. Okay. 4 minus y. Here is a plus. Therefore, 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, 5. Here the answers are correct. I wrote the question itself wrong. Therefore, here it will be 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, y equal to minus 15 by 5, which is y equal to minus 3. Then substitute. Next step, substitute y in 2. Therefore, the same step will be occurring here. Minus 3 equal to 9. 3x plus 3 equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 3, which is x is equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, solution for this question is x is equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Okay. Thank you.